guys, so I just got done washing with water and a little bit of soap, washing the Marvel water beads right here, and I placed them in Easton's bathtub. This bathtub has come in handy not just for his baths, but also sink or float experiments and other water play activities. I also gathered some little tools and measuring cups, spoons, this little plastic piece with holes for the water beads to go into, so he can explore and use different materials for his water bead play. And also from one of his water tables, this has a spiraling slope that descends all the way to the bottom and the balls can float out of. I thought that would be really fun for him to watch and to play with. And I wanted to give some recommendations. This play guard, it's not only useful to contain my son while I'm doing laundry so he can play safely, but also just to contain messes when we do fun sensory play activities, so it doesn't have to flow all over the whole floor. It's an easier area to clean up after. And I just purchased this from Amazon and I'm really excited to use it. It has sticky grippers on the bottom. It's machine washable, it's waterproof. They're called Splat mats, or there's other names for it, but the purpose is for either it can be used under high chairs while they're eating so their food doesn't get all over the place, or it can be used for any type of messy sensory play, water play, sand play, all those activities where you just want to not get that mess on the carpet or the floor. Alright, so I'm going to go get him. I'm very excited to see him experience the water beads for the first time. He is a little bit younger. They recommend 3 years and up for water beads. I'm going to be supervising him closely so that he doesn't pop any into his mouth. We don't want any choking hazards. I did also look into it, and there's so many other fun ways to use water beads for younger children. It can prompt tummy time if you have them lay down on their tummies and put the water beads sealed in a Ziploc bag, tape it to the ground. They can explore it that way. You can also turn something like this or a laundry basket upside down and tape the water beads in a Ziploc bag and have them play with it that way so it's sealed off and they can't get the pieces out. Another one was inside of a balloon. You can put the water beads in, tie the balloon off, and have it as a sensory item or even a stress relief item for anyone. Yeah, so lots of different ways to explore and play with water beads. I'll probably do another video soon and using water beads in different ways. I'm gonna go grab him. I'll be right back. As you can see, Easton is here. He's ready for some playtime. Are you ready, bud? Do you want to play? Wow, you try. So cool. You can play. Go on, bud. It's okay. He's a lot more reserved than I thought he would be for this activity. Kind of feeling everything out. Go on, you can do it. Mommy will do it with you. Ready? Okay. You can put some in here. Whoa, look. That's so silly. Mm-hmm. Alright, go on. You want to feel one? Wow. Alright, put it in here. Put it in here. Put it down. Wow. I do like this option of the MarvelBeads because they are non-toxic, so if they do get squished or crumbled, and if they do accidentally ingest it, at least it's not harmful. I still would absolutely avoid that, of course, but it makes you feel more rest assured that it's a little safer option. This is a good experiment also to talk about colors. There's green and clear and yellow and pink and blue. I saw some online that also had black and white, which I thought was really unique. I think it's a great fine motor activity because they're going to have to manipulate the small objects to transfer them from one object to another or to place them in different tools like this. So many uses. I also read you could freeze these. Yeah. I heard that you can freeze these and then do smashing games with it. And honestly, these things last forever as long as you maintain them, you clean them, you wash them. Wow. You want to use that? Yeah. Well, we're going to continue to explore the water beads. Thank you for joining me. I'll post on the description part. Yeah, I'll post on the description part of my video where you can find this play yard, which has been one of my very favorite purchases since he was born, as well as this splat mat right here for messy play activities. And lastly, the water beads, of course, where you can find these. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.